back with some new products, and today I'm dealing with some mini breadboards. Now, how many times do you find yourself working on a project on, for example, a regular size breadboard? And the board is crowded with a project, and you just want to test out something very small, a flip-flop, a voltage divider, etc., comparator circuit. And you find yourself that if you have 3, 4, 5 breadboards of this size, that you have to remove all the components from this board to test out a circuit rapidly. Well, this might be a solution. These mini boards might be a solution. So these boards are pitched 17 by 10. Okay? So here I have from the length 17 holes, and from the width 10 holes to work with. Now that's the product on eBay. You get 5. In my case I got 6. They are mini solderless prototype breadboard. Claims 170 tie points, etc. So I do have a black, a red, a white, yellow, more like orange, green, and blue. Board in use. On a small flip-flop. And that's all, folks. What the hell is this? What's this? Mr. Pringles?